Our work at RedTeam Software, what we provide is a full project management, construction accounting platform for general contractors, commercial general contractors. We currently work with about 1,000 general contractors nationally and been in business for about 10 years now. Ultimately, you want to connect everyone, right? But you want to connect everyone in context of, what is their role, what do they need to know, and when do they need to know it. At RedTeam Software, what we've looked at when we came to the right constituency as a general contractor, we broke it down into 3 distinct groups. The construction team in the field, the construction team in the office, and the construction accounting team. On the customer side, as far as the owner, we connect the projects through having very simple ways for the general contractor to produce reports back to the owner. Capturing information is mission critical because if you don't capture information, you actually don't have any product. So we really focused on the mobile app at that point because really the work is done in the field. So getting the field team to enter information and capture information easily was mission critical for us. We made the mobile app very, very friendly to use, and quite frankly, pictures has been the center part of that. For a consumer, the way you have to consume data, right, is quite frankly tactically. You have to be able to understand what data do you need to be looking at today, right? Again, there's so much information. As a software company, we have to consume data in a way that it can be put into fairly simple buckets of information so that it can be readily accessible and understandable. When it comes to adopting, you have to have, first of all, a champion inside of the company. And as a software company, we have a moral obligation, and I feel very strongly about that, a moral obligation to stay engaged with our clients, to remind them as to why they made that change, because it is change. And so we have to constantly discover, well, what is the value to the company, to the organization, and what is the value to each individual user created by the use of the platform. Right now, we recently released improvements to our work in progress reports. So now we have accounting periods included in there, so you can look back at your work in progress over time. That's actually really important. The work in progress report is kind of that holy grail of information for every general contractor. RedTeam was created by general contractors for general contractors. And kind of the story of RedTeam is they looked at how general contractors work, and quite frankly, they work their asses off. And we wanted to build a platform that allows general contractors to go see their kids play sports on Friday nights.
Click to subscribe and see more at builtworlds.com.